Are you exercising outdoor a lot and find yourself feeling dehydrated? If so, I'm here to help. I'm Isabel Simon, your personal and workplace consultant, and today we are going to learn some tricks on how to rehydrate your body really fast. Hydration is something that is very crucial for the good functioning of your body. When we exercise or are outdoor, we obviously perspire a lot. And the two minerals that we lose are potassium and sodium. So these are the two items and minerals that you will want to replenish very quickly in order to rehydrate very quickly. You can find those two minerals in fruits like watermelon, cucumber, plums, grapes, and if you want, also eat something salty foods. That would be a good way to keep and replenish your fluids very quickly. And also, something that I personally use when I go hiking, biking, outdoor. I love outdoors activities, and sometimes it's not very practical for me to take lots of fruits and vegetables with me. So I go with Plan B, and I utilize H3O. It's packed with potassium and sodium, and it comes in a canister, or it comes in an individual pack, which I can easily carry in my gym bag or in a pocket or a purse, carry on the plane with me. Very, very practical. H3O. And that is as simple as that. I'm Isabel Simon, your personal and workplace wellness consultant. Enjoy.